Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be about the eyes only. So I'm going to be creating a blue smoky eyes and I hope you enjoy this video. And please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share. And I'll see you in my next video. This video is not going to be a talk through video, so please check the description box at the bottom to see if I'm going to list anything, but if not, it's going to be on the screen. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I already did my full face of the camera. I did my lashes, my foundation, my brows, and my lips because I don't want to make this video long. So I'm trying to make it as short as possible. So that's why I went ahead to do every other thing apart from my shadows. So I'm going to be using this m.a.c palette to create this look. Then I'm going to be using also this eyeshadow I got from Ulta Beauty. I'm going to be using both blue shadows to create these looks. This is the end of the video and I hope you enjoy this look. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.